Hey guys, it's me, Angela, and I am back with another Temu haul. If you haven't heard about Temu, you can go on the app or download the app, or you can go on Temu.com. Temu is a shopping platform where you can find all different sorts of things. You can find hair bows, which I'm going to show you some of those today. You can find clothes for all different sizes. You can find shoes. You can find sporting goods. You can find kitchenware. You name it, you can find it. Temu also offers 90-day return. They have a 90-day return policy, and the return is actually free. They send you the shipping label, which is really, really neat. They also offer price adjustments, which one of my viewers reminded me of that, which I do the price adjustments on a daily. They offer all different kinds of stuff. Usually they do have a minimum. My minimum is $20. I don't know what your minimum in your area would be, but I'm going to list everything that is in the video below in the description box for you guys to be able to find it a little bit easier. And I'm also going to list my coupon code down there to help save you guys some money. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item was $5.27, and we'll open it up and see what it is. It is a huge pack of scrunchies, and we'll pick a pink one. This is what they look like. And they are all silky, and I mean, there are tons of colors. I'm just gonna hold it up so you guys can see some of the colors. Tons and tons of them. It doesn't say on the package how many, but I mean, there's a whole bunch of them in here, of the scrunchies. And that was $5.27. I think that is a still of a deal and would go with every outfit. I got these as well. These were 48 cents. And these are little hair bows as well. And we'll take those out and see how flexible they are. Pretty flexible, and they're really tiny. They're more for little kids or somebody that has kind of thinner hair, not quite as thick. And then this was 87 cents. I'll show you what it is. And if you're wondering, I have done some Christmas shopping, and that's what most of these items are, because I have granddaughters. I have a grandson as well, but I have granddaughters that they're girly girls, and I like to just put like little bitty things in their Christmas gifts. But this is the little watch for one of them, and it was 87 cents. And they love unicorns. My one granddaughter has a little stuffed unicorn, and she calls it Nini corn. It's her little Nini. She loves that thing. These were 35 cents, and I thought they were absolutely adorable. I loved the colors, and those are most of the colors that my daughter dresses the girls in. This was 48 cents, and you get two in this one. If I can get it open, you get two of these. You get a white and a beige. I'll go ahead and show you both of them. They have little smiley faces on them, and they're little scrunchies with little smiley faces. I thought those were really cute and very neutral. So if you just throw those up, or a lot of girls wear them as wristbands. And the last item in this one is going to be this right here. And it was $1.37. And it is a whole bunch of these little teeny tiny hair clips. They are teeny tiny. But my granddaughters are really young, so these will work out good for them. Just kind of show you some colors of them. Like I said, you guys check out the website or check out the Temu app. Don't forget that everything is listed in the description box below. I also will put my Rakuten in there so that you guys can save some extra money on Rakuten. And my coupon code will be listed below. And until the next Temu haul, I'll see you later.